Cedar Creek Contracting here in Caledon East. We're doing a little interlock job today for a customer of mine. Back patio, we have some Unilock. Brussels block is the stone. Color mahogany ash. 3 stones for the pattern. And putting up a little bit of a screen around the AC when it's all said and done. Some steps will be coming up off the back door. And we're getting close to finish laying this part of the patio. As soon as that's done, we'll start cutting in the soldier course for the border stone and give her some palmeric sand, give it a sweep, and get paid. And that's basically it for this part of the job for today, and we'll see you soon. Authorized Unilock contractor. I believe strongly in the Unilock product. I use it for about 90% of my customers. I try to push the product because I really do believe the quality is built into the stone. It looks great, holds up to weather, especially in the cold climates here in Canada. It's an excellent product, and I would recommend it for anybody who's doing some interlock work on their property. For job quality, you have to basically do it once, the right time, the first time. Don't try to cut corners on trying to save some money where down the road all you end up doing is replacing everything that you just did, start all over. Not a good idea. Concentrate on what you have to get done, do it right the first time, and you'll be glad you did. I'm a resident of Caledon East. I do travel basically anywhere from Toronto, Mississauga, Oakville, Erin, anywhere local. The job's of a substantial size. I may travel a little bit further, but Caledon East is my home base, and Etobicoke is my second home. It's where I grew up there, and a lot of my friends and family are still down there, and I still have customers that are always calling me back in the Etobicoke area. So it's a great place to be. Caledon, a lot of nice fresh air up here, lots of big properties, and I'm trying to do both ends at the same time, but Caledon East is home base for myself. If you're ever looking for any work, cedarcreekcontracting.ca, look me up. Hopefully I can be of service of you. To you. Sorry. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this episode. Lots more to come. For more information, check out my website, www.cedarcreekcontracting.ca. That's it for this job. We'll see you next time. Let's ride.